What if I told you that you're sitting on a gold mine and you don't even know it? That the skills you already have, the ones you take for granted, could be turned into real, sustainable income, even if right now you think you have nothing valuable to offer? In this video, we're going to break down exactly how to identify your hidden skills, develop them into high-income tools, and turn them into real money, even if you're starting from scratch. Stick around until the end, because I'll share the step-by-step roadmap that's helped thousands of people go from zero to profitable without a business degree or a big following. Let's dive in. Part 1. The big lie. I have no skills. Let's get something straight. The idea that you have no skills is a myth. Everyone has skills, they're just not always obvious. Maybe you're great at organizing. Maybe you're a good listener. Maybe you've taught yourself how to edit videos, write emails, design graphics, cook meals, or even help your friends with resumes. These are all skills. The problem is that society trains us to undervalue soft skills and informal knowledge. But in today's world, soft skills and digital skills are more valuable than ever. And here's a truth most people miss. Skills don't have to be rare to be valuable. They just have to solve a problem for someone who's willing to pay for help. So the first mindset shift is simple. You do have skills, you just haven't learned to monetize them yet. Part 2. Discovering your hidden skill set. Start with 3 simple questions. What do people come to you for help with? What do you enjoy doing so much that time flies? What have you learned through work, hobbies, or life experience? Write down everything. No filter. Still stuck? Try these prompts. What tools or software do you know how to use? Have you ever solved a problem that others struggle with? Are you bilingual, creative, tech-savvy, or good with people? Example. Maybe you're the one in your family who always organizes the vacation trips. That's project management. That's a sellable skill. The key is to shift from thinking, do I have a skill, to how can this be useful to someone else? Part 3. From skill to solution. Skills only become income when they solve a problem. People don't pay for skills, they pay for results. You don't get paid to write. You get paid to write a high-converting ad. You don't get paid to design. You get paid to create a logo that attracts customers. You don't get paid to speak Spanish. You get paid to translate documents or tutor students. So ask yourself, what problem does my skill solve? The more painful the problem, the more valuable the solution. Here's a secret. Even skills that seem basic can be packaged as a premium solution if you aim them at the right audience. For example, simple video editing might not seem like much. But for a content creator who needs 3 videos per week edited, that's gold. Part 4. Leveling up your skill fast. Once you've identified a skill, the next step is to sharpen it. But here's the good news. You don't need to be an expert to get paid. You just need to be better than the person you're helping. That said, the better you get, the more you can charge. Here's how to level up quickly. Watch 3 to 5 YouTube tutorials per week on your skill. Take a low-cost course, Udemy, Skillshare, Coursera. Practice with real-world projects. Offer free or low-cost help to friends or local businesses. Join a community of people doing what you want to do. Find a mentor or follow someone already successful in that field. If you do just 30 minutes a day for 90 days, that's over 45 hours of development. You'd be shocked how much better you'll get. Part 5. Choosing a monetization path. Once your skill is clear and sharpened, it's time to turn it into income. Here are 6 proven ways to monetize your skills. Freelancing. Offer your service on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, or directly to small businesses. Consulting coaching. Package your experience into guidance. This works well with life experience, business, wellness, or tech skills. Creating digital products. Turn your knowledge into ebooks, courses, templates, or checklists. Affiliate marketing. Use your skill to build a platform, like a YouTube channel or blog, and promote products you believe in. Offer local services. If your skill solves a physical or community problem, offer it offline. Think tutoring, photography, resume writing. Build a personal brand. Share what you learn and do on social media. Over time, this builds trust and opens up multiple income opportunities. Pick one. Go deep. Don't try all 6 at once. Start simple and build momentum. And remember, these income streams can compound over time. What starts as $100 a week can scale to full-time, then to freedom. Part 6. Building proof and credibility. People don't buy from strangers. They buy from trust. Here's how to build it. Create a portfolio, even if it's just a Google Drive folder of samples. Collect testimonials from early clients, even if they were free. Document your process on social media. Share before and afters, client wins, or behind-the-scenes looks at your work. Offer a satisfaction guarantee or risk-free trial if you're starting out. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start sharing your journey while you grow. People love to support progress. Part 7. Setting prices and getting paid. This is where most people get stuck. First, don't undercharge. If you charge too little, people won't take you seriously, and you'll burn out. Start with a good enough rate, then raise as your demand grows. Use this pricing starter method. Beginner, $25 to $50 hour or fixed price per project. Intermediate, $50 $100 hour. Advanced, $100+ hour or premium packages. As your confidence grows, transition to value-based pricing. Instead of charging for time, charge for results. Example, don't charge $50 hour to write emails. Charge $300 per email that brings sales. That's leverage. Always have a clear payment system. PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer. Use contracts, even simple ones, and protect your time. Part 8. Marketing yourself without feeling salesy. You don't need to be a marketing expert to find clients. You just need to show up consistently. Post your work on social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, or Twitter. Use content to educate your audience, tips, tutorials, case studies. Join Facebook groups, subreddits, or Discord communities where your target audience hangs out. Offer value first. Then mention you're available for hire. Start conversations. Real people, real income. The more you help, the more visibility you get. Visibility creates opportunity. Marketing isn't about bragging. It's about showing how you can help. Part 9. From side hustle to full income. At first, you might make $100 here and there. But if you stay consistent, you can build this into a full-time income and beyond. Step by step. Start while working your day job or studying. Set income milestones. $500 month, $1,000 month, $3,000 month. Reinvest in learning, tools, and brand building. Build systems to get clients consistently. Eventually, transition into full-time independence if you want. Here's the beauty of skill-based income. It's scalable, flexible, and entirely in your control. Part 10. You already have what it takes. Here's what most people don't realize. The rich don't wait for permission. They start. They figure things out as they go. They fail forward. If you've ever helped someone, solved a problem, or taught yourself something, you already have the foundation. The internet has made it possible for anyone to monetize their value. Not someday. Today. So take action. Identify your skills. Turn them into solutions. Learn fast. Start offering value. Get paid. Repeat. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. If you found value in this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We drop weekly content to help you grow your income, mindset, and freedom. This is Wealth Expansion Club, where we believe your future is built one smart decision at a time.